Action.
Since 2014, the Cinematography Society has been welcoming Troy students interested in films and movie production, whether they have experience in it or not.
The purpose of the Cinematography Society is to bring a lot of creative individuals together who are passionate about film and filmmaking and try to get a couple short films produced every semester.
It's like a group of individuals that, I don't know, we seem like misfits, but like we love film and we all get along well together, and it's like a fun environment.
One of the greatest accomplishments of the Society is its annual festival, the Troy International Film Festival, which takes place every year in the spring.
We're still working out a date right now, but it will be sometime in April, and we're just going to have films from all around the world coming in, and it'll be a huge event. It'll be all day. It's going to be awesome.
The Troy University Cinematography Society is currently working on its upcoming short film, Only Fools. A story about two people eager to find love, and maybe even too eager. Troy University Cinematography Society meets every Tuesday at 6, room 212 in Trojan Center. Julie Prax, TrojanVision News.